watch the video? Is the video on? Hello. What we did so far with this set, what we're going to make is a plane right here. Well, we'll make the car, so we're going to make the plane now. First off, we're going to see the truck. Now, the truck has 6 wheels, and it has 2 cabinets, and it can open and shut. And I'm going to show you inside now. This is like flashlight. When you turn it on, these are 2 bars. Like I showed you yesterday on the other video. Then now I'm showing the first person.
Don't take it apart.
I'm going to show you how to build it. First, you start with the body. Then you take the head and put it on. Then you take the legs, the blue legs, put it on the body, and get the hat, put on his head, and you got it. It keeps falling off, just put it on there. And this man goes to this car, like I just showed you. This man goes to the plane, and this man. Do you know how to sit it down? You don't? This is how. This is how you sit it down. And look at the sides. This is how we did it so far. And this person, I think it goes like right. I don't know where it goes, but I'm going to put it somewhere once we do it. Well, that's all for today. That's how we did it so far. Bye.